Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the actions in PowerPoint. So here we have the PowerPoint software. In the insert menu, we get an actions. Actions is used to jump from the first slide to the second slide or from the second slide to the first slide. If suppose when I'm in the last slide, so I need to suddenly jump to the first slide, or if I'm in the third slide. So select the text or any other image or any other text. So go to the insert, click on action, mouse click, nothing but when we click upon the text. Mouse over is nothing but when we just touch this mouse cursor to the particular text. So mouse click is nothing but when I click upon the text, or mouse over when the cursor is just touched to the roots, nothing but the particular text. So I use the mouse click. Hyperlink to the next slide, it will jump to the next slide. First slide, it will jump to the first slide. Last slide, it will jump to the last slide. End show, the show will be ended. So select the first slide. Okay. So at the time of PowerPoint presentation, when we go to the full screen show, so after the show ends, it comes to the third slide. So when I click here, suddenly it will jump to the first slide again. So this is the actions used in the PowerPoint. And one more options we have in the actions. If suppose there is another PowerPoint presentation regarding a urban park, so insert the actions, hyperlink to not first slide, second slide or end show, select other PowerPoint presentations. So select which presentations is regarding according to that subject. So suppose I have another presentation, for example game, I'll select this only. Okay, in that we have four slides. It has to jump to the first slide. Okay, and okay. So at the time of presentations, if I click on the ribbon part, so another presentations will be coming in between the slideshow and it will be ended. So go to the show. So if I click on the ribbon part, other PowerPoint presentations will be coming in between one more show. This slide will be ended and this slideshow will be continued. So by using the actions, so we can bring other PowerPoint show in between one more PowerPoint show. And also we can jump from the first slide to the last slide and last slide to the first slide. And we can end show in between by clicking on the particular options. So just insert actions, mouse hyperlink to the end show. So at the time of the show, if I click on the Bangalore, the show will be ended. So this is how actions are used in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.